Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to bulk import invoices into Xero. Bulk importing invoices into Xero is one of the biggest time-saving features for businesses handling large amounts of customer billing data. Instead of manually creating invoices one by one, Xero allows you to upload many invoices at once using a spreadsheet template. But here's the part most people underestimate. Bulk importing is only smooth if the data is structured correctly. One formatting mistake can create failed imports, incorrect taxes, duplicate invoices, or messy accounting records. Bulk importing means uploading multiple customer invoices into Xero simultaneously using a CSV spreadsheet file. This helps businesses save time, reduce manual entry, upload historical invoices, migrate from another accounting system, manage large invoice volumes efficiently. You're basically converting spreadsheet data into live invoices inside Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the Sales Invoicing section. Click Sales. Under Sales, click Invoices. On the Invoices page, click Import. What happens next? Xero now opens the invoice import workflow and displays several instructions to guide the process. Understanding the bulk import process. The first step shown is download Xero's invoice template. This ensures Xero can interpret the invoice data correctly. Important clarification. You should avoid changing the structure of the template unnecessarily. Now open the downloaded template and paste or enter your invoice data into it. Information typically included. This may include customer contact names, invoice numbers, invoice dates, due dates, item descriptions, quantities, unit prices, tax rates, account codes. Once your spreadsheet is completed, return to Xero. Click Browse. The Browse button opens your File Explorer, allowing you to select the completed invoice template file from your computer. Once everything looks correct, click Import. What happens after importing? Xero converts the spreadsheet data into actual invoices inside your accounting system. The invoices now appear in your sales invoicing area. What you just did, big picture. You bulk uploaded customer invoices, automated invoice creation, organized accounts receivable, streamlined bookkeeping workflows. You transformed spreadsheet invoice data into structured accounting transactions. Why businesses use bulk imports? Bulk importing is especially useful for high-volume invoicing, accounting migrations, e-commerce businesses, historical data uploads, recurring billing systems. To summarize, bulk importing invoices into Xero begins by logging into your account and navigating to Sales, then Invoices. After clicking Import, Xero provides a guided workflow that starts with downloading the official invoice template. You then copy your invoice data into the template and upload the updated file using the Browse option, which opens your File Explorer. Additional settings allow you to update customer contact address details and choose whether invoice amounts are tax-exclusive or tax-inclusive. Finally, clicking Import uploads all invoices into your Xero accounting system in bulk. This process helps businesses save time, reduce manual bookkeeping, and efficiently manage large volumes of invoice data. And that's how to bulk import invoices into Xero. Bulk importing is one of those features that can either massively improve efficiency or create accounting chaos depending on how carefully the data is prepared, so precision matters more than speed here. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.